The quality of our training materials and the quality of our training delivery are essential elements of Maven training. Quality drives everything that we do. The way that we're able to achieve the high levels of quality that we know our clients rely upon us for is rehearsals and quality reviews all the way through each step of the development cycle. When we first meet with a client and we're starting to talk about their specific requirements, we're very keen to play that back to clients to make sure we've understood exactly what they're asking for. When we get back to the office and we start to create our materials, the first thing we do is we create an outline of what the course will actually offer. And we go back to the client and double check that actually we've captured their requirements. We've captured the right duration of the training course. We've set the right timings. We understand how many delegates will likely be in the room at the time. We've understood whether or not it's a workshop type style or whether it's a straight training delivery with perhaps manuals or handbooks. Once we've got agreement to the course outline, we then start to develop our materials. We have to create the training presentation, but we also have to create lots of exercises and activities so that the delegates can engage with the materials. We don't want to be a chalk and talk organisation. Don't want our trainers to stand at the front of the room and just present by reading aloud from slides or from a book. This is much more about how people use what we're showing them how to do. So we really work very hard on all of the activities and the engagement. Because our courses have so many exercises and activities within them, rehearsal is really important for us because in order to test how an activity will work, you actually have to use an audience member. So an awful lot of what happens in our admin office is that we're often running rehearsals of courses with each other. We're trying to get each other to do the activities on a particular course. We're timing how long they take. We're seeing what questions the delegate will actually ask and getting ready to be able to answer those. So we rehearse and we rehearse and we rehearse until we know it's absolutely right. We always try and pilot our courses so that we actually have a soft launch, particularly if we're going to do multiple courses of the same type. If it's a one-off course, that isn't always available to us. We make sure that we've gone through the course materials with the training sponsor before the course goes live, just so the sponsor knows exactly what it is that they've bought and that it matches their needs before we stand in front of their colleagues and their clients. Finally, we always do follow-up because for us, lessons learned are really important. We want to improve continuously what we're doing. We want to make things better. So we always want to see what went well, that we should repeat the next time, and what didn't go so well, that we can enhance, that we can improve. We always want to follow that lessons learned approach back with our clients, so we share the information. It's not just an internal review, but we also share what we've learned about doing the training at an organisation with those that have paid for the training. So that helps them develop their requirements the next time they talk to a training company.